Miners, refiners, chemists, metalworkers, jewellers, dozens of people you need to make the Melbourne Cup.
Why?
Because it's hard.
The cup's made by hand, but it has to be made perfectly. Exactly the right weight, exactly the right dimensions, within 1/10 of a millimetre.
So this is the Mount Rawdon gold mine near Bundaberg in Queensland.
Diggers put the rubble in the trucks carry it up the ramp, and then they put it in the crusher.
These big tanks dissolve the rock and leave just the metals behind. The metals get melted and then poured into bars that we call doré bars.
They're ugly looking things, but they're worth millions of dollars.
The doré bars aren't much good to us yet because the gold in them is mixed with silver and other metals. So we have to refine them to separate out the gold.
So after all this work, mining, refining, rolling, it comes down to this one guy, the spinner. And his name is Sparrow.
The thing about spinning, mate, is the gold gets harder and harder and harder as you work it. You've got to keep the gold soft by annealing it, heating it up. Of course, if you don't anneal it, the metal will get hard and crack.
How good is that? I gotta show me one.
Congratulations everyone, we made the Melbourne Cup.
I'm Alex and I made the Melbourne Cup.
I am Anita, and I made the Melbourne Cup.